Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. This one we can change s to the power of 1 over 2. Next we can use the power in here, s to the power of 2 minus 1 over 2, and s to the power of number 1 minus 1 over 2, and the next one is about s to the power of negative 1 over 2. So for this one, 2 minus 1 over 2, you got about 3 over 2. This is about 1 over 2. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of s to the power of 3 over 2, we got about s to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1 over 3 over 2 plus 1. Similar technique. This one you got about 5 over 2. This one is about 5 over 2. This one is about 3 over 2. This is about 1 over 2. That's the end. Thank you for watching.